Hi friends, thanks for joining the Python course. Welcome to Happy Kids India. My name is Krishna. In this video, we are going to learn what is Python, what can you do with it, what are the applications of Python, why is Python so popular. These are the three most common questions students ask about Python. So we will get to know the answers for these questions. Then we will see what is the software required for Python. Then we will see how to run our first Python program. What is Python? We all know Python is one of the high-level programming languages. It actually started as a hobby. A person called Guido van Rossum started developing Python in 1989. His main goal was the code written in a program should be beautiful to look at. So that is the reason he introduced indentation instead of curly brackets. For example, C++, Java uses curly brackets for a block of code, whereas Python just uses the indentation. We'll see what is the indentation later. And then the program should be easy for everybody to read. It looks like an English language, so even the people who do not know coding also can read it and understand what it does. What can you do with Python? What are the applications of Python? So there are certain languages which are used for a certain purpose only. For example, PHP is used for web development. There are certain Microsoft applications like Visual Basic used for desktop applications. For example, Fortran and R languages are only used for scientific purpose. Like that, for example, COBOL was used for the business applications. And there are certain applications which are used for games, certain applications for network programming, etc. But Python can be used for any purpose. It is a multi-purpose programming language. We can also use it for data science, that is data analysis, and machine learning, artificial intelligence, etc. So there are so many applications of Python. We can develop any kind of application using Python. Why is Python so popular? So we have already seen it is a multi-purpose. We can develop any kind of application. Besides that, there are so many features of Python. For example, it is very easy. Even the beginners, even the kids can start learning and coding using Python. It is very expressive. It looks like a English language, and it is free and open source. It is completely free and it is an open source, means we can even see the source code of Python, how it is developed, and it is a high level language. It is portable. Once you write Python program in Windows, for example, you can run the same program in Mac computer, Linux computer, or any operating system. And it is an object oriented and it is an extensible. For example, you can extend this application, connect with the different applications. For example, an application developed in Java, an application developed in Visual Basic. All these applications can be connected to the Python application. And embeddable, for example, if you think a certain program can be written in a C language better than Python, you can write in C language and that code you can embed it in the within the Python program. Like that, it is an interpreted language. The interpreter will compile the code line by line and runs it for us instead of compiling the entire code. And there is a large standard library, lot of libraries available, so you don't have to write everything from scratch. Lot of pre-developed libraries are available, and GUI programming is also possible. Dynamically typed, we can see all these features. What are these features later? Additionally, it is a highly paid, which means many employers are looking for Python developers because of this its applications. For example, Google uses Python extensively. We have seen Netflix application was developed in Python, and Dropbox is developed in Python. There are so many popular applications also developed in Python, and many employers are looking for the Python programmers. The average salary of Python programmers is 116K USD per annum. So now we will see what is the software required for Python. online compilers and interpreters. If you do not want to install any software on your laptop or desktop, or if you do not want to install any mobile app on your mobile phone, still you can practice Python. So there are so many websites where you can write the code and compile. So I have made a separate video for this. I will give the link in the description, but initially I will show you one link, onlinegdb.com. So this is my favorite link. For example, here language, you can select any language. You can write code in any language. Here I am selecting Python 3. So you can see C, C++, Java, Python, PHP, C Sharp, VB, lot of languages, right? You can choose Python. Then you can see the code also. One line code, print hello world. If you click run, it will get executed and show you the output. Hello world. You can see the output. So like this, there are so many websites. We don't need many. So you can use this one also. Or if you want to know others also, there is a separate video I made. I will give the link in the description. You can see it. Then mobile app. So there are so many mobile apps also. If you want to code on your mobile phone, if you do not have a computer, laptop or desktop, still you can learn. You can install a mobile app. You can install a mobile app called online compiler. There are so many mobile apps. In online compiler, you can practice any language. I also made a separate video how to download, install and use online compiler. I will give the link in the description. You can see it. The third one, the offline software. There are so many offline softwares, also called IDEs, integrated development environment softwares, with which you can practice without an internet connection. If you do not want to use your internet connection while practicing Python, you can install an offline software on your desktop or laptop. Also, there are so many offline softwares for Python. So my favorite is PyCharm. So I will make a separate video how to download and install PyCharm. Now we'll see how to run our first Python program. I opened the website onlinegdb.com and I have chosen Python. So I will write one output command. Print is an output command. It prints whatever we give it within single quotes or double quotes. I am giving double quotes. Within the double quotes I am writing hello world. So it is a custom to print hello world in the first program in any language. So I wrote print and within double quotes hello world. Click run. So it shows hello world. So this is a constant value, right? Instead of that, I am giving say name equal to, let us say my name Krishna Mohan, and I am here I am giving the variable name. So name is a variable name and Krishna Mohan is a constant value. Variable names must start with an alphabet and it can contain numbers or underscore, no other characters. For example, I can say name 1, name 2, like that. So name equal to Krishna Mohan, I am printing name. Click run. So you can see Krishna Mohan. So if I change this name, so I change the name to Satvik and I am printing. Click run. So it prints Satvik. Similarly, I am giving is equal to 11 and let me print age. So age is a variable name, 11 is a number. So here it is a string of characters, so we are giving in double quotes. Here it is a number, so we don't need to give in the single quotes or double quotes. Directly we can give. Age is a variable name, 11 is a value, constant value. Here I am printing age. I click run. So output you can see Satvik. Print name, that is Satvik. Print age, that is 11. So it is printing two different lines, right? Let us print in the same line. So if you want to print side by side, I can also give here comma age. Within the same statement, within the single statement, I am printing name and age. I click run. You can see Satvik and 11 side by side. So we can also give in different other formats. We will learn all those things later. Let me also show you something. For example, A, this is a variable name. I am giving a value 2. B is a variable name. I am giving value 3. C is a variable name. Here I am saying A plus B. A means 2 is assigned to A, right? So A means 2, 3 is assigned to B. So B equal to 3. That means C equal to 2 plus 3, that is 5. So here I am also printing A, comma B, comma C. Click run. So you can see name is Satvik, age is 11, A value that is 2, B value that is 3, and C value, which is A plus B, that is 5. So we can print like this. I will also discuss all these things from next week. So this is only to show you how to run the first program. So just type the code here and click on the run button. You can see the output. So every Sunday at around 10 a.m. India time, we are going to have live training classes. Please make sure to attend every Sunday at 10 o'clock. Please join the WhatsApp group given in the description so that you will get all the notifications. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you will get the notifications. Thank you so much.